Exosome treatment for wound. Exosome treatment for wounds includes using exosomes derived from mesenchymal stem cells, MSCs, to enhance wound healing. The procedure includes isolating exosomes from MSCs, which are then applied directly to the wound site. Exosomes promote tissue regeneration, reduce inflammation, and stimulate cell proliferation, accelerating the healing process without the need for direct stem cell transplantation. Clinical outcomes: pain relief, patient-reported reduction in pain associated with the wound, functional recovery, improvement in functional outcomes related to mobility and daily activities. Cosmetic appearance, evaluation of scar quality and cosmetic outcomes post-healing. This non-invasive procedure accelerates wound closure and improves outcomes without the need for stem cell transplantation. SCCI Stem Cell Care. India is one of the greatest healthcare consultants in Delhi, giving the best advice and treatment at the best place, according to your preference at very affordable prices.